Okay, go. Wait lang. Kaya ko to. Hello, hello. Okay lang ba yung ganitong distance? I'm so awkward. Oh my gosh. Okay ba to? Kurumi, please speak to the mic. Okay. This is my attempt to make a video podcast. Actually, I don't really know if you can even consider it as a podcast kasi I just want to have an outlet where I can say anything, everything that I want. Reasonably allowed na things na sabihin are valid. Not just anything that I want, don't let the intrusive thoughts win. I think I'm just gonna remove my eyeglasses because the light is kind of distracting me. Actually, wala namang light, girl. No. Hapon na. Not even gonna promote this. So I don't know who's gonna reach this video or if meron man. I'm just gonna share this to one person and that's just that and maybe for me to review and watch. So why am I starting this if I'm not really into sharing it? Wait lang, hindi ako nagpapakilala. So just in case this reaches anyone or everyone because we don't know the algorithm these days. So if anyone, says this who doesn't know me or maybe has just seen me minsan, ganyan, or na-encounter niya na yung face ko, or just my name. I'm Erica, and I'm 20. Wait lang. Oh my God. This is my problem as always kasi I'm 23, turning 24 this October, next month. Oh my gosh. And I am an industrial engineer. Oh my gosh, that feels kind of crazy to say. I'm an industrial engineer. Wow, really, girl. Pero yun, IE ako. I'm an IE and um I won't say I am an expert in the field, pero basta IE ako. And ano ba? I love music in general, so I really grew up having that, and maybe that's one of the not one that a lot of topics that I will talk about. Mama mention ko talaga yun, and there would be topics talaga na yun yung focused. So you can expect that from me. And ano pa ba? Maybe let's just get to know each other along the way. And I think important to say is I am straight and I'm into men. So let's just uh, clear that out. Ayan, para hindi tayo ma-misgender and anything. Ayon, so I'm a she, her. Ano pa ba? Ano mo dapat to sabihin? I love music. Clearly, I have albums, a lot of albums there that maybe one day I can introduce you to. Oh my gosh, nahihiya na ako. Tama pa ba itong ginagawa ko? Okay, kaya ko to. Let's get into it. I can do this. I'll try my best ha, na the audio will sound good kahit papano kasi from the first clip na I tried while introducing myself, I tried to watch and I don't think it sounds that nice. Pero it cannot, hindi naririnig yung background ko. So, there's that. Pero, ayun, I'll try my best to, have a good sound man lang. And maybe later on, I can really buy a, magandang mic. And I'm trying not to hold the mic kasi tinry ko siya ng ganun. And super rinig yung paghawak ko sa kanya. And this one, I know this is from the brand. Pero ayan, binigay kasi to sa akin. So, sayang naman kung itatapon ko siya. So, sorry na agad. I know we support Palestine. So, getting back to my thing. So, I'm trying to chase the light pa. Kasi I'm just gonna kasi I'm just gonna use the natural lighting. Kasi wala akong ilaw dito sa room ko. And yung light ko is from ang kwarto lang na room. As in, it does not help me na makita niyo ako. And, 'di ko rin alam kasi bakit ngayon ko 'to siya ginagawa at like what? Wait lang, let's check. It's currently 4:40 in the afternoon. Yes, it's so dumb to make this video with the natural lighting at almost 5 in the afternoon. Pero kasi I've been holding back myself to do this. So, please pagbigyan niyo na ako if the video is not so good quality, but the fact that I was able to stand and be here in front of you is something na andito yung momentum, so I'm just gonna take it, parang ganon. So, ayun. Sorry if I don't look so prepared kasi, yun nga, the feeling is here, so might as well get it. Kasi ang initial plan ko talaga was in the morning, paggising ko, like, maligo ako tapos, ayan, para tirik pa yung araw, maganda pa yung lighting, ganyan. I barely have anything on my face right now. Like, tinakpan ko lang yung mga iba. Kung hindi natakpan, I'm so sorry. I'm just really insecure with my skin, so I tried my best. Pero hindi ko na siya finul kasi nga hinahabol ko yung oras and I have to feed my cats and dog na 5, around 5. So, there's that. Meron tayong time constraints, yet I chose to do this at this right time, di ba? Grabe. And maybe that kick as well na gawin to was after binge watching Chinidis vlogs. Because, tawag dito, in general, I could relate to her. Even if hindi naman kami same ng life, ganyan. Pero I can relate to her na parang, little by little, you start doing something every day. It gives you that change or like, may na-achieve ka. That's what I got from the binge watch I just did. As in, few minutes ago. And I was like, okay, sige na nga, let's do this. It's now or never. Kasi, I was planning to do this next week. Kasi wala na akong time this week. So, imagine if I did it next week, di ba? Eh, di baka next week na naman. Hanggang sa next. Wala na ako nasisimulan. So, ayun, I'm trying to practice not to be all talk and just start doing. Alam mo yun, mas okay kasi na may mas start ako kaysa wala. And, ayun nga, since I've been putting this off, kasi as well yun nga, I don't plan to promote this kasi I don't think there are people that's gonna, wala namang manonood nito for me. So, parang, who am I who am I impressing or like, ba't ko ba ipa-pressure yung sarili ko sa wala naman? But then, I need to pressure myself in doing this because I need to get my shit together. Parang ganon. Na parang, I wanna do this, diba? So, bakit hindi ko pa rin ginagawa? Hindi naman kailangan ng approval from anyone, but does yourself approve of what you're doing? Na hanggang ngayon, nakatenga pa rin yan, girl. Kasi sabi ko nung when this mic arrives, then go. Then it came. Then nothing happened. And then ito na naman. It's Sunday. So, parang sabi ko lumipas na yung morning ng Sunday. Oh, so, okay, next week ulit. Hanggang sa wala. So, ayun, I'll try to practice that na parang I'm not gonna say anything but just start doing things na lang and then people are just gonna be, oh, okay, you did this and that na pala. So, that's nice help. I'll give you that. Anyways. So, tingnan niyo pati yung what I'm wearing right now. It's not even super. What does it say? I love my girlfriend. Yes. I'm not a young girl. It's such a comfortable shirt, by the way. And, wait long. It was in support of the first album. So, yeah, I've had this since forever. Ayun. Sorry if I don't look as, prepared. And hopefully, by next year, makakabili na ako ng mic. Because I have different, or maybe someone can give to me a good quality mic. I don't know. Pero next year, that's my target. Next year na, kasi madaming concerts eh. I have other priorities in life. And anyways, bakit ba ako napunta? Tingnan niyo, I'm such a yapper na saan na lang napupunta yung sinasabi ko. Let's get into this. So why did I want to start this? Okay. Bakit gusto kong mag-podcast or like, why do I want to do this? So first of all, hindi ko naman talaga gusto maging podcaster in a sense. I just want the idea of letting things out, gano'n. And I've done a lot of things, ha. I've tried to make website sa Wix. I try from time to time, I try writing sa Medium. And as of na, isa pa lang ata yung post ko kasi gano'n ako push and pull. I write on my journal. Still do from time to time. Super rare na lang. Dati talagang consistent ako. Pero mas maasap na yung kamay ko magsulat. It's more convenient for me to type. But then, even typing, nawawala yung trail of thoughts ko. Unlike kapag ganito na nagsasalita ako, gano'n lang siya. So, ayan. So, I'm posting this kasi, maybe it can reach someone who needs it. Pero kung wala, okay lang. I just can look back on it. And then, before actually doing this, parang medyo napuput off ko pa yung self ko into doing it kasi parang sabi ko, so, if wala namang makikinig, why am I even trying to do this at all? Like, but why the effort? Parang ganun. But then, eh, ganito ko pabaw na tao. As in, I would search. So, I searched that day na parang sabi ko ganyan. Um, parang ang thought niya is, may mga tao ba na gumagawa ng podcast kahit alam naman nila na walang nakikinig sa kanila? Yun. And then, I came across this Reddit thread na parang sabi niya, okay lang ba kahit gumawa ko ng English, by the way. Parang, is it okay if I make a podcast even if I know no one's gonna listen, but just for me to improve my speech daw niya, ganyan. And then people were like, isn't it a lot of people um do things just for the sake of doing? Sabi niya gano'n. I'm like, you're right. Tama ka. You have a point, Charis. Hindi, pero, ayun nga, ang ganda kasi nun kasi totoo naman, minsan ginagawa lang natin yung mga bagay para feel natin meron tayong ginagawa or meron tayong sense of accomplishment, 'di ba? So, somehow, sorry yung buhok ko na, it's kind of distracting me, pero yun, so somehow, may gano'n na parang, why not do it instead of you keep on asking yourself if you must do it or not? Kasi the only way to answer that is when when you do it na you'll know if tama ba yung ginagawa mo, if dapat ba ginawa mo siya or not. Yun. So, what's scary lang kasi about this is the digital footprint, 'di ba? Pero, 'di ba, if alam mo naman wala kang ginagawang masama or it's not really immorally, you know, hindi siya immoral, hindi siya parang offensive, ganyan. Then what's, to be scared of, ika nga. Anyways, so ayun, I will try my best. Seriously, kasi ang hirap din kasi mag-record for me. Kasi, una sa lahat wala akong chair. So, if I'm gonna record like 30 to 1 hour videos, I'm gonna stand here for that long. And actually, before even starting this, dati ko na siya naiisip. Pero like, idea lang kasi siya and I don't think na kaya ko siyang gawin kasi I think as well, wala rin naman akong room to do it. So, ngayon wala na akong reason since I have my own room as well. So, what's holding you back, girl? I even got the mic. So, before convincing myself to do this as well, I tried to write topics. So, topic ba? I tried to write things to talk about. So, ang dami ko na sa notes. Parang ideas or topics na kung anong gusto kong pag-usapan. And, ayun nga, if any video reaches to anyone, kahit hindi ko siya pinapromote or anything, then I guess at least diba there's someone out there na maybe who needs it na na-reach out ng video ko. Ayan. So, that's just that. I'll just see what I can do. Maybe I'll just put less pressure on myself and enjoy, sharing things that I don't usually share. And ako rin kasi yung tipo ng tao na when I share stuff, I really share seriously. I am the type of person na, kunwari sa group of friends, I'm the one who tells story in a very detailed manner. As in, may background history pa yan siya and everything. Ganon. So, I tell everything. And, ayun, I think this comes from a place of me just wanting to say things. Ayan. Kasi as well, I think lang ha, even if I'm a very opinionated person, I don't think I'm really entitled to be called like super smart or anything na kasi. Sometimes I'm just considered as a very expressive person. Kasi sometimes, may mga tao na they know more than you but they just don't express it. But they know. So, I kind of categorize myself to a person who's expressive in that sense. Pero, ito ha, I try to be expressive when I feel like I should do something about this, ganyan. So, for example, sa political post, I try to share a lot as much as I can, um, in a way that people would understand. Kasi ako rin, to an extent lang yung kayang i-absorb ng brain ko when it comes to things when talked about parang in a very expert manner. Like, super detailed, like may mga laws and everything na ganyan. Very limited lang din yung kayang i-absorb ng brain ko. So, I guess, ayun, most of the reason, no, overlook ng mga tao yung super duper daming sinasabi and detailed. So, ayun. So, maybe it appears to some na, shoot, dami namang alam nito, ang dami pinagsasabi. Ganyan. Ang dami mong pinagsasabi, girl. Pero kasi, that's just me. If you don't wanna read it, then wag, no? Pero, ayun. That's just how I am as a person. I just really talk a lot. And if I can, I would. Once thought as well of being a content creator. Like, sa TikTok, ganyan. Pero ayan, insecure din kasi ako sa face ko. So, I don't think that's the right avenue for me. And maybe I cannot handle the hate in that place. Kasi grabe ang hate doon, di ba? So, maybe meron din dito. Pero kasi, I don't know, YouTube is just kind of a different start to me. And yung ko rin talaga, just sometimes, it's just, you just do things as they are. Parang ito na I choose to upload on YouTube instead of other platform. Ayun. Ano pa ba? So, yun. I just come from a place of being a yapper at that. So, I'll try this naman and maybe see if it will lead me somewhere. If walang paglilidan, okay lang din. If no one wants to listen to me, it's okay. I just wanna put it out in the world and maybe, pag namatay na ako, this will reach to someone. You don't really know the extent of your material kung saan siya dadalhin. No, not until you do it. So, girl, you just gotta start working. Ayun. And when am I gonna do this? Kapag wala na akong oras sa mundo, ganyan. So, ayun, habang may energy pa ako, maybe I can do it as early as now. And ano pa ba? Ano pa ba dapat ko sabihin? And if this reaches to anyone, luckily, if may magkakagusto nito or something like that, And if you wanna talk about something, then maybe, 'di ba, we can consider that pag-usapan. 'Cause, alam ko rin, one of my best friends I talked to kasi we're listeners of Gabi ng Bading podcast previously during nung time na yun. We were like, "Don't you think we can be like those people too? Like, I'm Dayani and you're AC," ganyan. Parang somehow na-imagine na rin namin na, yes. Actually, kaya naman natin yun. Like, may sense naman tayong tao, ganyan. And ang dami nating sinasabi, sabi namin ganyan. Pero yun, if it was just an idea, but, you know, even tried to, ano din dati, I explored how it is to upload podcast on Spotify. Kasi parang naisip ko, ganda yung Spotify ha, kasi it's faceless. Parang you can just record your voice, then go on the topics na, ganyan, and talk about things. Pero I did not succeed because hindi ako sinipag. And I think then wala akong super dami ko. I have a lot on my plate at that time. So, kaya rin siguro hindi ko siya na-pursue in some sense, ganyan. So now is the time to actually do the things. Ayan, at least, makakatulog na ako ng mahimping na mababawasan na yung mga what ifs ko sa buhay na what if nag-podcast ako? What if I did this and that? And, of course, mahirap din naman if you don't do things with a purpose. So, while I'm trying to do this, parang na freestyle lang and like no pressure sa sarili ko to release things and stuff, I really hope, though, na if this reaches anyone, meron silang kapupulutan. May sense sa kanila somehow. Hindi lang parang nasatisfy lang ako na ginawa ko siya. I just hope na, ayun, if it reaches anyone, then it somehow made them think, made them feel like may kasama sila, if they're going through the same, ganyan. Ayun, I just really hope I'm guided by the good angels and saints while doing this for me to be a medium as well and an instrument, you know, to influence somehow good things out of this. Pero yun, if it doesn't work, well, at least I tried nga, sabi ko nga. Ayun, and I don't know, am I gonna call this a passion? I'm not so sure pa if I'm gonna be passionate in doing this, but what I'm passionate about is sharing my thoughts. So, starting from that, maybe we can achieve something and we're starting from somewhere, no? Ayun. And, shucks. I'm not sure about not promoting this at all kasi baka at some point, I will give credit to my friends and, somehow, baka ito yung maging way ko to relay them the message. At some point, ganyan. So, I'll try to keep this as natural as possible though. So, ayun. Alam niyo na, kapag nagbago tong mic ko, medyo naka-LL na tayo. But, yes. Ayan. Ayan, if this reaches anyone, what do you know about me? Comment everything you wanna talk about. Ayan. And always, keep safe. Bye, and thank you for your time. Finally, nagawa na. Grabe ito guys.